Here's how to jump your car if it won't start. If you get into your car and you just turn the key and nothing happens, or if you just get a bunch of clicks and the car won't start, the most common reason for that is your battery is dead. And luckily there's an easy fix so you don't have to be stranded. And that's having a jump box in the back of your car at all times. First thing you gotta do is pop the hood. To pop the hood, you're gonna go under the driver's side of your dash in most cars, and you're gonna be either looking for either a lever over here on the side, or in some cars, it's up here under the dash with the hood logo on it. Find that lever and pull it. Then you gotta unlatch your hood to get it open. Right around the logo on the front of your car, there's gonna be either a lever that you push to the side, or sometimes it's one that you're gonna squeeze and push up, and that's gonna get your car hood open. Once you're under the hood, you're gonna be looking for your battery, or if your battery's in the trunk of the car like some newer cars, in this kind of general area, there's gonna be a little metal post with a plus on it. Then what I like to do is to take the clips that come with my jump box. I don't put it together yet. You can see how it's kind of just dangling here. And what I do is I actually put the red on the positive and the black on the negative. And most cars are gonna color code them as well. So red is red and black is black. Go ahead and put the positive on first, and then put the negative on second. I also like to keep this disconnected from the jump box so there's no chance of having a spark. Next thing you're gonna do is you're gonna take the battery portion of your jump box and hook it up to the clips. Since my battery's okay, it's gonna beep a whole bunch when I put it on here. But on your car, if your battery's dead, you're gonna get a little green light here. Once you get the little green light down here, all you have to do is go into the car and start it right up. Make sure you follow for some more dad tips.